This is my 1977 Thunderbird. We took out the back seat today thinking we were going to fix why this seatbelt isn't retracting. Or sorry, it doesn't catch when it pull it real fast. And it was loose. So I went to unbolt it and realized that the bolts were gone and it just left a big rust hole right here. Oh, there it goes. I don't need these anymore. We're about to do an automotive sin. Spray foam. Fixed. Automotive sin number one. Yeah, let's check the other side. It's so huge! Yes! Yes! Yeah, get in there. I can't either. Oh my goodness. The straw's not long enough to get in there. It's too fat. Alright, let me get my keys here quick. Alright, let's get to the trunk here. Let's see my mess. So I know this trick works even though it's horrible. So I've already done it on either side of my trunk. Because it's garbage. Okay. Yeah, I wonder why the underneath of the seat was wet. It's raining today. I better do the other side too before it rusts. What's this?
You want to hand me my cappuccino? Thank you.
I love spray foam.